Michelle Gurley, specialize in prenatal, postpartum, and pediatric chiropractic care, along with prenatal and postpartum fitness. I'm going to show you two different ways to hold the car seat that are a little different than the standard way of holding the car seat. Typically what we see is this forearm hold, which can commonly cause us to be leaning to the side or kind of hobble into a place. So first off, to get down to the car seat, do a kneel and then a hip hinge to grab. And one of the ways you can do is put your arm underneath the handle, grab the circular portion here, and then stand up. This is an easier way to hold the car seat. Another way that we can hold the car seat is actually by both handles here and stand up. This position, we want to be careful that we're not extending into our low back. Those are just two different ways to carry the car seat that can make it a little bit easier on the body.